Okay, welcome back to Apostle 1 tutorials. We are still on this circuit theorem, and then we are supposed to find the value of m and n. But please don't forget to share the link, don't forget to subscribe, like it, and then your comment is very important to us. Very good. Now, so let's see. So we can see another cyclic quadrilateral here. Cyclic quadrilateral. The quadrilateral inside a circle. So the opposite angle is supposed to add up to 180 degrees. Opposite angles are complementary. Okay, so we can say that this angle and this angle is supposed to give us 180 degrees. So we have 6n minus 4 plus 7n plus 2 give us 180 degrees. Now 6n plus 7n will give us 13n. Minus 4 plus 2 will give us minus 2 equal to 180 degrees. So this one will give us 180 multiply term, so plus 2. 13n will give us what? 182. Then our n will give us 182 divided by 13. So what will be our value for n? 13 going to this one how many times? 14 times. So our n is equal to 14 degrees. We can easily solve for the value of m. So this one plus this one is supposed to give us another 180 degrees. So we're going to have 2m plus 4 plus 4m minus 4 equal to 180 degrees. So 2m plus 4m will give us 6m minus 4 plus 4 is 0, so it goes 180 degrees. So m will give us 180 degrees divided by 6. So this one will give us what? 30 degrees. So this is the value for m and n. Very simple. When you understand the property, all other questions become very simple for you. Make sure you subscribe. Let's see you in the next video.